Ever wondered if you could get that premium gaming feel without breaking the bank? This arch-wired mechanical keyboard mouse combo promises exactly that, bringing a full metal panel and mechanical-like experience right to your desktop. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the sheer build quality. The entire keyboard panel is crafted from an all-metal material. It feels incredibly solid, giving it a substantial, almost heavy-duty presence on your desk. This isn't some flimsy plastic. It's shockproof and wear-resistant, designed to stay put and handle intense gaming sessions or long workdays without slipping around. Now about the typing. While it boasts a mechanical feeling, it's important to note it uses low-profile keys. This translates to a surprisingly quiet and comfortable typing experience. You get that satisfying tactile feedback without the loud clickiness, often associated with full mechanical switches, which is a huge plus for shared spaces or late-night sessions. The ergonomic design, coupled with that stainless steel material, really makes a difference in comfort over extended use. And it's not just the keyboard, this is a combo. You get a matching gaming mouse, completing the setup. Connectivity is a breeze, simply plug in the USB receiver, and you're good to go. No drivers, no fuss, just instant action. It's a wired connection, which means zero latency, perfect for competitive gaming where every millisecond counts. The inclusion of multimedia keys is a thoughtful touch, letting you control your audio and video playback without ever leaving your game or application. It's compatible with laptops and desktops, making it a versatile choice for any home computer setup. Visually, it's quite striking. The metal panel gives it a sleek, modern look that could easily elevate any desk setup. It's definitely something that could serve as a great decoration, and honestly, it would make an excellent gift for any gamer or even someone just looking to upgrade their home office peripherals. The brand, Arch, even stands by their products, promising a 24-hour response if you ever run into an issue, which is reassuring. So, if you're searching for a durable, comfortable, and responsive wired keyboard and mouse combo that looks as good as it performs, especially if you appreciate a solid, all-metal build and quiet, tactile keys, this Arch combo is definitely worth considering. It delivers a premium feel without the premium price tag, making it a strong contender for your next desktop upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.